Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. Today we're gonna learn the new Golden OTT panel. This panel is made as unique as possible to be spelled different. Yeah. So first of all, we are here in dashboard. As you see, here's the name and there is also the credits. I have only 2 credits right there. And also here a spot for, you can dark this like this or make it light, much stuff. Same colors you can use. Instead of green you can use purple, pink, red, orange, or any color. Here this is for interview. We get mic. This is a quick access. This is the Telegram for reseller. So we are here in dashboard. Here's the name, here's the language is here, French or English. Also for notification, this is the analytics. Let's start. So analytics is the same as I told you. It is an M2U option, so we can create new M2U. Here we select the package. This is paid 72-hour trial, 0 credits, but paid. So 4, 6, and 24 is the best option. So you can select it like this. Template. So the channels will be Arabic, Albanian, UK, Germany, or India, or any one you want, or you can create your own. The country. Here you can select the country you want. So this is the connection, so how many devices can work with this only one subscription. If you select, for example, 1 year, you have five connection, but the trial only one. So here is how to enable or disable the adult content. This is the maze line. This is actually not useful. This is the domain bypass. We can explain it when we go to the domain section. So this is basics. We select all the countries here. We select the series bucket. Can add notch here like this. Can add a notch here. This is my number, by the way. And we create a user. When we create a user, we can copy the link here and we can copy the extreme. This is extreme and this is MCU. The same things with mag, it's the same, and the same things with active code. This is refund subscription to refund the credits for 1 year or 1 month or whatever the line is. This is part is for the paid trial, the one that has 72 hours trials. Section for reseller, how to add reseller, how to manage it, how to request refund, and if you need credits, by the way, and you don't have your provider contacts, you can request credit from here. And this is for the template, so you have to group or categorize the channels as you want. Auto renew, this part is new as a new feature. So if you have, for example, subscription will end in June, you can add auto renew. So after the subscription gets expired, it's renewed by itself. It's known, it's not something new, but it's a new feature in this panel. This is the support, so you can contact support. This is analytic logs, subscription, how to delete the subscription, This is DNS. You can buy your DNS just here from the panel without go to Namecheap or GoDaddy or any other providers. This is help center, and this is live support channel. Diamond channel. This is for like a news part. You can, when we click here like this, we see this is an event and the time of the event. This is new feature. And that's it. Thank you guys for your time.